All right, people, safety instructions. How do you create a safety page on your website that you can send to your customers, include it in your next steps, and have everything be consistent? Same deal as before. You're going to go to the back end of your website, go to the rental software part, click admin login. That takes you to WordPress. And then from there, you just click new and page. Okay. Now, once you've created a new page, just copy my page. I'll send you the link. Here's what my safety use and safety instructions page looks like. I have a picture, and then I just have my use and safety instructions. You copy this stuff and you put it on your page, save it, and then you can link it back to the page that we built in the last video. So here I say, review use and safety instructions. Please review the use and safety instructions. You can hyperlink it here by going like this and grabbing the link for the page after you create it, and then hyperlinking it here. And now it's linked. So when they click here, it'll take them to that page. So let's go through my use and safety instructions. So I say, please follow the below instructions to keep your guests safe, and in red, bold, avoid paying additional cleaning or damage fees. This is important because it lets them know that, hey, we are going to charge you. We are going to tax you if you mess up my equipment, bro. All right, so I got 3 sections. Number 1, adverse weather. In case of heavy rain or wind exceeding 15 miles an hour, please get the kids out and turn off the blower. Done. Safe use. Adult supervision is required at all times. No wrestling. There's always, and I actually write this down just like this. You can steal this from me. I don't care. You can copy it. I say, hey, there's always that one kid who confuses the bounce house for a WWE audition. Keep an eye on him or her. You know who I'm talking about. There's one in every family to ensure safety. And to keep your party tier free, right? Keep your party tier free. We don't want anybody crying at your party. Customers love when we say this over the phone. They laugh like, I know, yeah, my nephew's like that. You keep it fun, right? Number of kids, 5 kids max at a time per manufacturer recommendations. Customer can do what they want when you turn your back, but we let them know that, hey, we covered our butts by letting you know the manufacturer only recommends 5 kids at a time. And then kids size, all jumpers must be similar size. No large kids jumping with an infant or 6-month-old, right? So the last step is no, thank you. I call it the nose. Sorry, we just got to cover the nose. No shoes, no sharp objects or glasses, no food or drink, no confetti or silly string, no fireworks, grills, or any other flames near the inflatable. I know it's annoying, but please, thank you for taking care of our equipment and working with us to keep your guests safe. Any questions on that? No? Done. That's it. So you create a page like this on your website, you make it pretty, you add a picture. You can easily add a picture by, depending on what builder you're working. I like Elementor. You can drag and drop. If you're using that one, it's pretty easy. If you guys want more help on this, let me know in the comments. I could post a more detailed video about how to build a page. But it's pretty straightforward. Building this page, sending it to your customers, linking it to your next steps page. Very, very important. If you've watched this video and you've completed it to the end, got to this point, comment your city and state to let me know that you watched the full video, so that I can, so that tells me that this video was engaging enough and got you through the end. Helps me, helps the channel, helps you. Thank you.